Hello everyone, I just got my IPSY box. Again, I'm opening in gloves because of the coronavirus pandemic. And I have also prepared the special antiseptic mixture, which I have homemade. Okay. And I will be cleaning every item I get because I think it's the safest way to open things nowadays. So let's start. Firstly, I will take this cotton pad, and here's my mixture. In this mixture, I have ethanol, and I have this. It's mostly ethanol. Yes, 95%. Firstly, I will clean my gloves, and because I have touched the outer surface of this packaging, I don't know, maybe I'm being silly, but anyways, I feel more safe like this. So nowadays you can't blame anyone for being too safe, I think. So here is cleaning my hands. Okay, and now let's see what we have in IPSY. Here is the first item. It's Black Hat Bubble Pour Pack. Oh, that's interesting. And I will remove this coverage, which we have here. Then I will take another cotton pad, put this in my disinfection, and also apply it on this. Yes, like this. So now it's clean and I can use it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, such an interesting mixture. You should apply this on your face and it will remove like black heads. Yes, and black pores. Bubble pore pack. Yes. It will remove black heads. Let's clean it. So what else do we have here? It's a brush. Let's also clean this one. Nice. Usually they say that virus doesn't stay on sinks, even on plastic, more than 3 days. I don't know. I'm just being trying to be safe. Oh, it's very beautiful. This brush is very, very beautiful. So nice. Now let's go to this awesome green bag which I got. I will clean you too, don't worry. It's very beautiful actually. The color is really nice. And I like it a lot. Let's clean also the opener like this. Okay. And let's see what we have inside. We have this sweet pineapple melon herbal body moisturizer. I have here this eyeshadows. Oh, that's interesting. What else do we have here? This is also Wonder eyeshadows. Very nice. And also I have here Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil. It also seems very nice. Now what we had here was the things that giveaways for today. Here is the list. I'm getting this pineapple body moisturizer, blackhead thingy, this Wonder Beauty, which is this one. This is for this is the eyeshadows. Yes. These are the eyeshadows. I will open it. Somehow these eyeshadows are hard to open, maybe. So I was able to like take this out of the bag. Costa from formulated without mineral oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and it's also cruelty free. So now let's take another pad, cotton pad, and again disinfect all this stuff. So here I'm disinfecting this Face Hero Powerful and Protective Face Oil. Very interesting. Ooh. Seems very very oily. Okay. Okay. Now let's clean this one. Okay. With this disinfection, which is mostly ethanol, which must be more than 95%. So now what this is, it's a body moisturizer. Also, let's clean this very well. It's with sweet pineapple and honey melon. It must be really nice. Okay, and the last thing we have here is the eyeshadows. Let's also clip this one. And important thing is that this eyeshadow says that it's cruelty free. Hemp-infused eyeshadows. Okay, how to open it? Oh, I think that I can't open it because of my these gloves. So I maybe. Oh, here's the palette on the photo, which I can show you. It is nude colors in this one, and they seem pretty nice. So here it is what we have in this month's IPSY beauty box. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned with my unboxings of various stuffs, and see you and wish you health. Bye.